So we're here today with the Underground Militia, and we have our Nazi zombie general from the movie Dead Snow has happily agreed to come along on our trip. As Austin pointed out, we have not made a brain shot yet, which is what's required to kill a zombie, or plan B, we have exploding star target, which can also be used when inserted into zombies to eliminate them. So without further ado, I'm going to insert this into our zombie friend here, and we will blow him up.
Tell us about the placement
We
here.
now have the explosive ordnance inserted into the chest of the zombie, so we can finish him off in a proper manner. This is a little better than a headshot, I think.
Very effective.
So let's see what happens.
Zombies! Zombies!
Is this still rolling? Wow, look at that. That is where the zombie used to be.
There's zombie blood. Here, let me clean this off.
These are all chunks of zombie.
There's zombie blood on the camera. Let's look at this. Wow.
Zombie blood on that camera. Oh, fantastic.